Oh, hello everyone and welcome to Momentum channel. My name is Mo, and today in this video we're going to be talking about 7 stocks and ETFs that I plan to buy in the stock market in the week ahead. Let's get into it. All right, the very first pick for us in the week ahead is Costco. It is one of our holdings that we have with Interactive Brokers. We currently have about half a share of Costco at this time based on fractional shares, and our average price is $371.03. Costco, based on its after hours price, was at $524.51. You notice that in the past kind of a week, the stock has kind of slowed down and gone down. It was at one point hovering close to $540, and since then it's after it's announced its latest earnings, the stock has gone down to some extent. You want to take advantage of that and add to our existing shares of Costco through fractional shares. Currently, our half a share or so of Costco is showing growth of 41% or an unrealized profit of $83.48. So Costco would be our first pick in terms of buying in the week ahead. Our second pick is Bank of Nova Scotia with ticker symbol BNS, available on Toronto Stock Exchange. Bank of Nova Scotia is also available for US dollar investors on New York Stock Exchange. And that's something that you could also add to your positions if that interests you. The last trading price in Canadian dollars for Bank of Nova Scotia was at $93.19. We do have 16.1 shares of Bank of Nova Scotia. It's in our kind of unregistered account, non-registered account, and it is currently up by 41%. We intend to add to our existing shares of BNS through a fraction of share buys. The third stock that we would like to buy in the week ahead is another Canadian bank, Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY. It is also available for US dollar investors, and that you can trade this stock as well. The last trading price in Canadian dollars for RY was at $138.25. We do have shares of Royal Bank of Canada in both of our accounts in terms of personal account and tax-free savings accounts. For our personal account, we have 5.7 shares of RY, and it is showing to be up 34%. In our tax-free savings account, we have fractional shares of 0.48. And in there, it is slightly down by 0.40%, less than 0.5% down. We intend to add to our existing shares of Royal Bank of Canada as our third pick in the week ahead. And what better pick for our fourth spot than another Canadian bank, Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD. It is also available in US dollars for investors outside of Canada. Canadian banks have been wonderful financial institutions. They have been paying their dividends and increasing it for many, many years. In fact, during the recession of 2008, the Canadian banks not only did not stop their dividend, they actually continue to pay their dividend solidly and continue to grow their dividends as well. That's one of the other reasons why we want to add to our shares of TD. We currently have 9.24 fraction of a shares, which is showing growth of 34% plus at this time. We want to add to that holdings that we have here. Our fifth pick to buy in the stock market in the week ahead would be Shopify, ticker symbol SHOP. It is available both in Canadian dollars and US dollars for investors. And in the Canadian dollars, its last trading price was at $764.65. It was down close to 6% in the last trading day. If you look at the past week, it is down by close to 12%. The past months, close to 32%. And the past 3 months, it's down by close to 58%. And even in the past 1 year, it's down by almost 44%. So definitely has gone down quite extensively. We want to add to our existing shares. We currently have 0.28 fraction of our shares. Our holdings is down by close to 50%. We want to take advantage of that, bring our cost average down, and buy fractional shares of Shopify in the week ahead. On the sixth spot, we have an ETF, BMO Canadian High Dividend Covered Call ETF, ticker symbol ZWC. It is available only in Canadian dollars. As the name suggests, it invests in high quality Canadian stocks that do pay dividend, but it also uses cover call strategy to earn some sort of additional passive income for you. Currently, we have 16 shares, and this is more of a recent addition to our portfolio in our tax-free savings account. We want to build a larger size portfolio with this ETF, given that it does pay dividend on a monthly basis. Currently, for each share of ZWC, you earn 10 cents in dividend income, which if you do the math, it's just over 6% annualized dividend yield, which is remarkable. And we want to go ahead and build it into a larger portfolio size. The plan is for the week ahead, we want to invest about $250 and utilize that to buy 10 to 15 shares of ZWC, depending on the price. Next week, when we do provide the report, you can rest assured that this number is going to show more. We want to build it into a much larger position to take advantage of that dividend income in our tax-free savings account, which is, as a result of that, there's no taxes whatsoever earned on that amount. And our last pick and the seventh pick for the week ahead would be our holdings that we have in our Smith Maneuver portfolio. We are going to be adding to our existing shares of VEQT, which is Vanguard Total All Equity ETF. And we want to take advantage of that and build a larger size portfolio here. We currently have 2,210 shares, but at the same time, we have close to $600 funds available in this account. We want to take advantage of that and buy more shares of EQT to bring our cost average down. Because currently our account with Smith Maneuver portfolio in Quest Trade is down about close to that 6% or 5.60%. And by buying more at lower prices, it helps us to take advantage of dollar cost averaging. Well, there you have it, folks. These are our 7 picks for buying in the stock market in the week ahead in terms of a combination of stocks and ETFs. Let us know what stocks or ETFs you are planning to buy in the week ahead. I would love to hear from you. Leave us a comment down below and share that with us. If you haven't done that already, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos, as we post every week several videos about investing, whether it's investing in the stock market, including ETFs, stocks, or dividend stocks, as well as ways to reach financial freedom. Thank you, and I hope to see you next time.